Hello everyone, welcome to another Friday new product post here at SparkFun Electronics. We've got a couple of products to talk about and a little AVC update for you. So let's dive right into the first new product. This is a new revision of the SparkFun IR control kit. The IR control kit is a really easy way to get some infrared control with your next project. It comes with this gorgeous infrared remote control that is this beautiful and luxuriant SparkFun red. We've got an ABC, power button, up, down, left, right, enter. So it's kind of useful for a lot of various applications. You know, it gives you all the buttons you kind of need. And in addition to that, we include a coin cell. We've got some resistors. And in this little package, we've got a couple receivers and emitters. Infrared is basically just an infrared light that is pulsing, and that pulsing can then be translated into some kind of data. So you read into the microcontroller, and it says, oh, this little pulse is equal to this thing. So each one of these buttons has its own unique pulse that is emitted out of the end of the remote, and then you can read that in and do some action based on that pulsing. Inside of this little package, we have these IR receivers. What they do is they take that pulse and they demodulate it, and essentially what that does is gives you a lot easier data string to read into a microcontroller. We have all the code for this on the product page, so it makes it really easy to just read one of these buttons into your microcontroller and then figure out what to do with it from there. So it's kind of an interesting little kit that is pretty reasonably priced, and it gives you everything you need to play around with infrared remote controls.
One of the perks of working at SparkFun is you get to have your dogs at work. Once I told my parents about this, they decided to send me this doggy treat dispenser, figuring I could feed some of the local canines. The original one came with this lever on the side that was attached to the front, and the dog had to figure out that they needed to hit it with their paws in order to get a treat. A few dogs were able to figure it out, but I decided to have a little fun with it. In this case, I'm using a 50-kilogram load cell in which a pressure plate rests on top of it. This is connected to our HX711 amplifier that takes that signal and allows me to communicate to it from a Arduino, and I'm using an Arduino Pro Mini in this case. The HX711 is an amplifier that makes connecting to load cells or strain gauges really easy. This particular one, the HX711, contains a 24-bit analog to digital converter that measures the pressure on the strain gauge, and this value can be read serially from a microcontroller. There's a library that we're using which can be found in a GitHub repo by the user named Bodge. It has a number of cool features. You can set the tare weight, so you can put a container on it and set that as being 0. It'll take several readings and create an average for you, and you can also manually set the gain of the HX711. When any weight is pressed here, the Arduino senses that and then controls a servo that dispenses a treat.
Oh, now you got the hang of it. Just hang out on there all day. Yeah! Got the hang of it now. That's it.
Oh, classic Sean. Next up, we have a new product from Chibi Tronics. We've carried some of these products before. They went through a little bit of rebranding and repackaging with their kit. This is the new kit from Chibi Tronics. What Chibi Tronics are is a series of circuit stickers. So they're actually stickers that do a thing. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. So here we have a couple binder clips, a couple batteries, and this is the secret behind the Chibi Tronics. These are little stickers that you can see peel off, and they have conductive pads on the back, so you can actually place these down using copper tape. And if we look inside the manual here, they guide you through a lot of different circuits that you can put together with the pieces included in the kit. And using the included copper tape, you can put together your own circuits with the included components. So you can put together something a little bit like this, which is a fully functioning circuit that is on a piece of paper. Here are some of your new products this week. As always, go ahead and check out the website at sparkfun.com for even more new products. And remember AVC. In about 2 weeks, we have AVC coming up on Saturday the 20th, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. If you are registered for AVC, make sure you check your email. We have the registration emails out, and if we do not hear back from you this Friday, you will be dropped from the competition, so make sure we hear back from you. And we will be back again next week with even more new products. See you then.